Ah, hello. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some dinner. Oh, and it's hot. What do you eat when it's hot? You eat food from countries where it's always hot. Yeah. So no Campbell's creamless toxic waste soup tonight. We're going to be doing some light vegetarian stuff that's really, really good. And try it. Just try it. You'll be amazed. So, what do I mean? Well, I got a salad tonight, so I whipped up some salad dressing. That's just some thoroughly invisible. It's just kind of yellow. Garlic, olive oil, salt, French-style mustard, pepper, and some red wine vinegar. Mix that together, you got a salad dressing. It's that hard to make a quick vinaigrette. So we'll be having salad with that dressing, a very basic salad. We'll be having some of this, which literally I could put on a mud pie and Mrs. Chef would eat the mud pie. This is a shredded cucumber, shredded small cucumber, some garlic cut finely minced, not smashed. Don't smash your garlic unless you like a mess. Oh, cucumber, garlic, oil, salt, pepper, red wine vinegar, and Greek-style yogurt. Or in this case, I use Labne because I have the stuff. It's hanging around. Here's a Labne label. And it's kind of nice if you can find it at your local market. If not, Greek-style yogurt works fine. That's what we usually use. But now it's time for the magic. So I got a salad with dressing. I got a garnish to put on top of what I'm making. But what am I making? I am making magic, to be honest with you. Canned chickpeas. The food of the gods. Garbanzo beans. We're going to be making a version of a falafel. Everything under the sun can go into a falafel. But the main ingredient being chickpeas that have been cooked. Now, there's a secret here. The more you beat on your chickpeas, the runnier they will become. So if you want a good texture, add them last. And it's going to look kind of like I'm making a meatloaf. So let's throw in some onions. In this case, I have 2 chopped green onions, which is a little excessive, but it'll work out. I have some cilantro. I have a nice big piece of garlic here. So yeah, if I were making meatloaf, that would be parsley and maybe some cooked yellow onions instead of raw green onions. But now here we go. Let's throw in an egg. Yeah, I beat that up just off camera. So an egg in a bowl, beaten up. A little bit of extra olive oil because this is a vegetarian dish. We need to add a little fat. And in this case, we're going to throw in some cheese. Or in this case, Labne. I can't say that with a straight face. I'm sorry. The American translation of that just doesn't come out very well. With a nice big slug of that. To add some fat and some protein. In this case, I'm going to use garam masala because it is, after all, a falafel, no matter how much it resembles meatloaf. So a little bit of that. And now some breadcrumbs. Okay, that's our basic batter. I do have a can of chickpeas right over there that's been drained very thoroughly. And we will be adding that. Huh. A little bit enthusiastic there, my mixer. And like I said, the key to making a good falafel is the texture of the chickpeas. Do not overgrind your cooked chickpeas. Or in this case, your canned chickpeas. Which are wonderful. Oh, my heavens. Okay. Oh, that is magnificent. Now, delightfully, because my meatloaf is made from chickpeas instead of ground beef, I can taste it raw. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, it is fresh, it is light, it is low on salt. But most of all, it is truly wonderful. So I'm going to let that sit, and then I'm going to form it into patties and fry them in oil. Yes, veggie burgers, basically. With yogurt salad with cucumber and a basic green salad with a French vinaigrette. Serve that with a little red wine. It's going to be a nice dinner on a hot day. So that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens. And subscribe, like, share, all of that good stuff. Thank you and goodbye.